welcome back to my channel. My name is Reanne. I live in Japan. By the way, your girl got a new microphone, so I'm going to be doing a voiceover over most of these clips because my audio is trash. Before we go shopping, I thought it'd be cool to go eat. First I'm going to grab a quick drink in the vending machine, and this is the restaurant that I decided to go to. So this is a random restaurant that I just chose because it's right next to the store I was going to. It's called Nako. I washed my hands first because, you know, COVID. Then I ended up clicking English so I can understand the menu. This is really convenient for a lot of foreigners that end up visiting Japan, so if you're ever worried about that, don't worry. I pressed OK and went straight to my payment. After this, I just gave my ticket to the person at the front. Alright guys, so I finished my meal. And now we're gonna start heading to the store. I'm really full right now. It doesn't look like a lot, but it's actually a lot of food. Right outside the store, there is actually a vending machine that sells ice cream. So since it was a really hot day, I ended up choosing this mint chocolate one, which was really delicious. So much. There's floors and floors of just different stuff. Along with the clothes, I'm probably gonna buy a bunch of random stuff too. Which is pretty cool. There's just a lot of stuff to choose from over here, and I end up spending all of my money every time I go here. Look, there's so many phone cases over here, lots of really cute ones. That one's my favorite, obviously, it's Pikachu. And these ones are the really cute fluffy phone cases. Over here we have a lot of really cute coin purses you can choose from. This one's a really popular character over here. He's like an egg guy. I forgot his name, but he's really cute and he's all over the place, so you'll see him a lot. So these are just some stuff to cook with. This is used to make a really famous Japanese street food that I really like a lot. It's like sweet bread with stuff in the middle. It is so good, so fluffy, definitely recommend. And here you have it. This is my favorite aisle ever. It is the Hello Kitty aisle. It's full of stuff with all the characters from the hairbrushes to the hairpins. Personally, I've already bought these. These are nail clippers. They're really cute, the same A guy. And for all of you anime lovers, they have puzzles. So they have Boruto, they have a lot more to choose from than that. These are the 3D puzzles, which I think are really cool, and they have some Studio Ghibli ones. Alright, so we made it to the clothes section. We have a lot of cute stuff, like this Minions. Promise, I only make those kind of bad jokes when I'm nervous, I'm sorry. Fun fact, they actually have a lot of random English in t-shirts in Japan. So this one says splitter fork. That's cool. These shirts are really cute. I like this pink one. The fashion is pretty bold, but I kind of like it, so. And I definitely had to include this. This is an entire aisle dedicated to Demon Slayer. You're gonna see this in a lot of stores because Japan is definitely obsessed with Demon Slayer right now. So one of my favorite things about Japan is how many different socks they have. Here are just a few that I think were pretty cool. I'm probably going to be doing a sock haul sometime. So here's another random shirt. I don't know what it means. And I thought these designs were actually really cute. I know that this guy is really famous over here too, but I actually forgot his name. I thought these shorts were so funny when I first saw them. They're all different kinds of milk. That's regular milk. That's strawberry milk, and this one is fruit milk. But this one's not milk, it is the sign for like an onsen. Oh. Drip. It is so awkward vlogging because everyone is staring. I didn't realize how awkward it would be until I actually got here. But I'm going to try to do more of these so you guys can actually see what Japan looks like and see how it looks like in the inside of shopping malls and stores, you know. It took me this long to find out I had eyeliner on me the whole time. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this so far. But let's just get back to shopping and buying random stuff. So in Japan, they give you the basket and then they give you the bag. You pay separately for the bag, like 5 cents. And you basically bag it yourself after you're done paying. When you're done, you just put the basket right there. Okay, so you can barely hear my voice in this clip because I was really shy because there's a lot of people around, like this guy right here. Anyways, in these types of stores, make sure you buy your stuff before you leave the floor. Summertime in Japan is super duper hot, so these fans are not only convenient but really cute. Definitely recommend. I like this Kuromi one because she's my favorite Hello Kitty character. I thought this part of the store was super fun. It's an arcade area where you can put your coins in and play the games, or you can use the gacha machines that are right there too. So this is the Daiso section of the store where everything is either 100 yen or close to 100 yen, which basically translates to $1 in American currency. There's so many snacks and different things to choose from. I personally think that this is my favorite area of the store just because of how cheap it is. Now here's me searching for snacks. Fun fact, these are quail eggs, and you're going to see these in a lot of Japanese ramen. And if you're wondering, this is the same store we've been shopping in this entire time. They do have fresh fish for 598 yen, which is not bad at all, as well as sushi, onigiri, and hot and ready to eat meals pre-made. So right now I'm in the liquor section. The legal drinking age in Japan is 20. Drink it up if you want, responsibly. But let's see what kind of drinks they have going on here. So we're starting things off with the basic everyday kind of drinks, Smirnoff Ice. They have a lot of flavors over here. I didn't capture all of them, but there's way more than this. But these were most interesting. They're pre-made shots, already packaged, ready to go. So when you come to Japan, you're gonna hear a lot about these. These are called chuhais, and basically they don't taste that much like alcohol, but they will get you drunk really fast. So I'll probably do a video on that sometime soon. Alright guys, I'm back. So that was all for today. Next video I'll probably be doing a haul filled with the stuff that I got from earlier, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Bye.